morning everyone, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a tag video. So this is the coupon etiquette tag. So I was tagged by Kelsey B. So thank you so much for tagging me in this video. And I believe this video was originated by the Ohio Valley couponer. So there's going to be a playlist. So I'll go ahead and leave that linked below. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into these questions. I love this like risque tag that is going on here. So this is so much fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first question. So first question is, would you take a Pili affixed to a product? Yes, I would, because the manufacturers put those coupons on the product for you to take the coupon and either use it that day or purchase their product in a future date. They don't care when you use the coupon, they just want you to use the coupon, because at the end of the day, if you get a Pili for Prego pasta, then you're going to purchase the Prego pasta. That's all the manufacturer wants you to do, is purchase that product. So at the end of the day, they just want you to buy their product. So yes, I would take a Pili coupon. However, I would not take all the Pili coupons off of the products. I would maybe take one or two, but I definitely wouldn't take all of them. That's just greedy. Would you clear a shelf if there is 3 of one product? How about if there is 10 of the product left? I would take, let's see, it depends on what it is. If it's like a shelf with 10 items, I would take maybe 2 or 3. I wouldn't take the whole entire shelf of 10. Just because I don't need things in tens. If it was something I really need and I was, you know, respecting the coupon limits, so I probably would. So for example, if it was, let me just give an example. My boys are lactose free, so I have to get everything dairy free for them. So if there was like a killer deal on like Fairway milk or something like that, and there was 10 things of milk, I probably would take all 10 of them if I was keeping with the coupon limits, because my family is dairy free. My kids drink milk every day, multiple times a day. So if it was something like that to where we are using a high frequency of, then yeah, I would take all 10 on the shelf if it was left, because it's something that is in my daily usage every single day. So if I can get a killer deal on something I use every day, then yeah, I probably would take the whole entire shelf. But if it's something that I don't use on a daily basis, like if it was like shampoo or like laundry detergent, I wouldn't, because we get deals on laundry detergent and shampoo like every single week. So I don't see a need to like clear a shelf on any of that stuff. But if it was lactose free milk or like formula or anything like that, like something specific, or like Preparation H cream, like yeah, I would probably clear the shelf. Do you follow limits on coupons? Example, 2 light coupons per trip. Do you think it's unfair other couponers to go against limits, or do you even think it matters? Of course, I follow limits on coupons. Do I stop at a red light? Yes, because the law tells us that we need to stop at a red light. Do I look both ways before I cross the street? Yes, I do. So yes, I follow the coupon rules because it is written on the coupon what you're supposed to be doing with the coupon. So I don't use 4 tied coupons in one transaction. I don't even split my transactions up to, you know, use 2 tied coupons in one transaction and then to split up the transaction. No, tied says 2 coupons per day per shopping trip. So P&G coupons are very specific. 2 per day, not 2 per transaction in the same day. So whatever the coupon limit says, I will stick to. Now, I know there are some other stores that have different rules in terms of their couponing, and I absolutely think it matters, because if you're seeing on our coupon limits, we are getting different coupon limits every single year. So I'm sure you guys remember last year, the BIC coupons were $1 off 1. So we were getting those BIC coupons for free. But I'm assuming that people were using those BIC coupons more than they were supposed to. They were probably not following the limits on the coupons. So now this year it's $1.50 off too. So we really haven't been able to get those BIC pens for free this year. And I think that as time goes on, I think more manufacturers are going to start doing like digital coupons, or like the Tides, you'll get like a prompt to go ahead and print it. So I think that that's going to be like the new way of couponing, to be able to limit like the coupons coming out. If you think that eventually we're going to get to like a 100% digital age of couponing. So yes, I am a firm believer of following your coupon limits. Number 4, do you print coupons for multiple computers or devices, or do you just use one device? You guys, I just use one device because one, printing the coupons takes computer ink, which costs money. So I used to print like every single coupon when I was like early in the couponing game, but I'm very selective with what I print because one, you're using computer ink, you're using your computer paper. So I just stick off of one device, I just stick off of one device. And if there's like a really good coupon that I like have to have, I'll ask my in-laws to print from their computer for me, or I'll ask my best friend to print from her computer for me. Like if it's a really good coupon, like those, like the Jenny O coupons, I'll ask them to print for me. But other than that, I just stick to the one device. Okay, so the last question is, do you ever hold up a line with your couponing? Would you allow the line to back up while you fix the issue with the store, or will you pay whatever to keep the line moving? First of all, I will not pay whatever just to keep the line moving. So usually what I do when I'm in store, if I have a lot of time, I will go ahead and just let people know behind me, like, hey, I have a lot of coupons, you might not want to stand behind me. Or if I have a lot of time, and there's an issue, I'll tell the cashier like, hey, do you want to move them to another lane? Like, I'm fine waiting until we fix this. Or I'll even, at Target, they're really great with me. And if there's an issue, they'll turn their light off at their checkout stand until the manager comes over and like fixes everything. So, you know, don't be too worried about that. So like if a line builds up behind you, just communicate with the people around you, communicate with the staff, and it's all gonna be okay. And at the end of the day, if you were holding up a line, you know, good news is you're probably never going to see the people behind you in line ever again because they're complete strangers to you. So if anything, they'll just go on their, you know, Facebook and like maybe post a photo of you from behind and say, oh my God, I can't believe I got stuck behind this couponer. Like, what is the phrase? F my life or something like that, FML. So maybe you would be like someone's joke on their Facebook, but who cares? So now I'm gonna go ahead and tag someone else because we were told to tag someone. So I'm gonna go ahead and tag Nicole, the Coupon Queen of Columbus. And I am really reaching with this one, but I would really like to see what Tony from Couponing with Tony has to say with some of these questions. So if you guys, you know, follow her, I follow her still. She's been the first person that I actually followed with CVS Couponing, and she's actually the first couponer YouTuber that actually watched and like commented on my videos. So I have been a follower of Tony's for a long time, so I would love to see her answers to some of these. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much to the Ohio Valley Couponer for setting this tag up. It was so much fun. And thank you so much to KelseyBSaves for tagging me in this video. It was so much fun. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.